You're in for a real treat today as I take you along my wash day reset experience with Wakati hair. Keep watching to see how I reset both my curls and spirit for results that help me look and feel my best.
Hi curl friends, welcome back to my channel and a special welcome to those of you who are new here. I'm Naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend, and I have tons of natural hair tutorials and product reviews. When I'm not doing hair, I love to share my personal health and fitness journey, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of mom life. My goal is for you to watch videos and leave with the feeling that you are more confident doing your own hair, styling your own hair, and have more information than when you first arrived. So if this is something that interests you, be sure check out some of my other videos, and when you find something that you like, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you never miss out. All right, now let's get into how I achieve this little cute look here. I am so excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Wakati Hair. And I really can't think of a better partner for sharing my love of wash day as well as kind of resetting our lives. I know that wash day gets, a really bad rep within the natural hair community, right? Like nobody looks forward to washing their hair on Sundays or Saturdays, whatever day of the week you do it. It's known for being a long, arduous process, 10 steps all day, can't do anything else but do your hair. Well, for me, if you're familiar with Naturally Shanice, I love quick wash days, and I know that wash days can be simple and enjoyable with the right methods as well as the right products. So that's why today I'm partnering with Wakati Hair to bring you a wash day reset.
I have been wearing this puff situation for well over a week and a half. My hair is dry, thirsty, dehydrated, and in need of a complete reset. But before I reset, I always like to start my wash days off by listening to some music. So let me go ahead and set these little wash day vibes here, dance and sing, and then wash my hair. My favorite step in wash day is by far a good cleanse and shampoo experience. For me, healthy hair always begins with the roots and the scalp, and the Wakati Sulfate-Free shampoo delivers a balanced cleansing to gently remove buildup while preparing your hair for optimal conditioning. The shampoo is specially formulated for natural hair and will help you to detangle without leaving your hair feeling stripped. You can see here that I'm actually going to separate out my hair using my fingertips and my fingers, and then I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb to detangle right here during the shampoo process in my shower. This is saving me a ton of time, and that's very important to Wakati because the meaning behind Wakati means time in Swahili and represents respect for where our hair has been and an optimism for the places that our hair will go. Next is the water activated advanced conditioner. I love Wakati's design. They offer two sizes, 8 ounce and 16.9 ounces. The water activated conditioner is formulated to make detangling your natural hair a breeze. It doesn't matter whether you're 3C, 4A, 4C, this conditioner is designed to detangle your hair. And what makes it so special is the fact that it is water activated technology. And what that means is that as you apply the conditioner to your hair, it will further activate as you apply water. So when applying, make sure that you separate out your hair like I'm doing. Take your time fingering through it. And because it is water activated, finger detangling your hair is going to be a breeze. If you're having trouble, go ahead, spray your hair with more water to activate the conditioner, and you should have no issues. And I'm really going to get the most out of the water activated conditioner by sitting underneath the steamer, and at the same time I'm going to plan out my week in my planner.
I just rinsed the conditioner out and my hair feels very, very good. It feels like butter. We're soft. Look at the curl definition that we get. Come on, Wakati, look at that. Doing it. Okay. Today's style, I'm actually going to be doing finger coils, and to help me achieve the finger coils, I'm going to be using two of Wakati's styling products. The first is this Reactivating Conditioning Mist. Now this is designed to reactivate curls or to refresh curls. So it's like a refreshing curl spray. However, it can be used as a leave-in conditioner. And this is what I'm going to be using to add shine and slip to the hair before applying the step 2, which is the Wakati oil infused cream. This oil-based cream is infused with shea and jojoba oils. It adds slip, it hydrates, it seals in moisture, and when these two are, combined together, I find that my curls hold up great. They're hydrated, juicy, defined, very limited frizz, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve that doing my finger coils.
When styling my hair, I like to start from the back of my hair and work my way up to the front. Here, I sectioned out my hair, I sprayed it with water, and then I followed up with the Reactivating Conditioning Mist. This Reactivating Conditioning Mist is designed to hydrate and refresh your curls for a smooth finish with added shine. After I apply the Reactivating Conditioning Mist, I then smooth out my hair and I apply the oil infused cream. So this oil infused cream seals in just the right amount of moisture for slip and an added shine. Again, it's infused with nourishing oils like shea and jojoba oil. It's a leave-in cream that locks in your moisture and also hydrates your curls. Here you can see that it's super creamy. It's not too thick. So now I'm going to take you from the top. I'm going to spray my hair with plain water. I'm going to work that water in. Then I'm going to smooth my hair out and I'm going to apply the Reactivating Conditioning Mist. I'm going to work in the conditioning mist, then apply the oil infused cream and take my time to work that in from the roots of my hair all the way down to the ends of my hair. Then I'm going to separate out this section using my fingers, further working in the product. I'm going to start at the root of my hair and wrap my hair around my fingers and twirl my fingers in a circle, therefore getting this finger coil that you see here. And I'm going to repeat this process throughout my entire head to what you see here, which are the final results before I use the diffuser to dry my hair. I use a diffuser every single time I wash my hair. The benefits of using a diffuser are a faster drying time, bouncier, fuller, more voluminous curls, and it also protects your hair from frizz.
Before I wrap up, let me tell you something. I love a wash day reset. I love fresh curls, and listen, today we are giving Wakati hair has me soft, has me bouncy, hydrated, moisturized, and defined, okay? She is really cute. I love when I feel this way. I hope that you enjoyed today's Wash Day Reset sponsored by Wakati Hair. If you would like to learn more about Wakati Hair, go ahead, head to their website at www.wakatihair.com. I also put a link in the description box. If you're interested in trying Wakati hair products for yourself, you can always pick them up or order them online at select Rite Aids, Walgreens, and Targets. Again, you can head over to their website for more information to find locations on where to shop Wakati. As always, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead, write them in the comment section and I will be sure to get back to you. If you like today's tutorial and want more videos like this, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out. All right, until next time, bye curl friends.